Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. So, let's start our today's class.
Class 3. This is the syllabus for annual examination of social studies. So let's begin from lesson number 6. So the syllabus for your annual examination is lesson number 6, that is safety first. Lesson number 7, rich heritage of India 1. Lesson number 8, rich heritage of India 2. And lesson number 10, the earth, a living planet. Then lesson number 11, globes and maps. And lesson number 12, saving our environment. Now there are some map work also. We will do some map work on oceans of the world, and second is continents of the world. So today in this video we are going to start the map work, that is oceans of the world and continents of the world. For this we need the map of the world map, political. Okay, world political map. We need to fill the oceans and the continents of the world. So let's start our today's class. So class, today along with the map work we are revising chapter number 10 also, the earth a living planet. So these are few of the questions that we are revising from this lesson. And the first question is, why is the earth called a unique planet? So why is the earth called a unique planet? Because it is the called a unique planet, a living planet it is called, because the earth is called a unique planet because it is the only one that supports life, because it is the only one planet where life exists. Okay, and why the life exists in this planet only? Because this planet has a few elements that supports life. So what are those elements that we will discuss in the next question. So the second question is, name some gases important for life. Now because the earth is the only one planet that supports life, and what are the gases that supports life on earth? So the gases important for life are oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. These are the important gases of life. Okay. Number three, question number three is, what causes day and night on the earth? Why in the morning we can see that it is day, and after that night occurs? So what is the reason behind this day and night? The rotation of the earth causes day and night because the earth rotates on its axis. So just because of that only it causes day and night. Wherever the sun, when half part of the earth gets the sun's heat, in that time it is day, and when that part goes behind, it goes that way, another half part, that it does not get sun's heat, so it experiences night. So that is why this, because of the rotation of the earth, causes day and night. Question number 4. What are the elements of nature that help nurture life? Just now I told you in the first question that the earth is called a unique planet because it supports life. And why it supports life? Because of the few elements. The elements of nature that help nurture life are, what are those elements? Land, water, air and the heat and light of the sun. These are the elements. After that, question number 5 is your map work on the political map of the world. So you have to purchase a political map of the world, a world map, political world map, and there after that you have to mark the oceans and continents of the world that I will be telling you. Okay, so get ready with your political map of the world. So class, today in the political map of the world, we are going to fill the oceans and continents of the world. So first of all, we will fill the continents of the world. So there are 7 continents in the world, and they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Okay, so we will fill it one by one. So the first continent is Asia, and Asia is the largest continent in the world. So this is Asia. Second continent is Africa. Just here, this is Africa. This country is Africa. Oh, sorry, continent. Okay, this is Africa. Then after that comes North America. Now there are two continents here also and here. The upper one is North because it is in the northern part. This is North America. And this lower one is South America. Okay, after this comes Europe. Now where is Europe? Just below this, just beside this Asia, there is Europe. This is Europe. 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 Then after that comes Australia. Where is Australia? This one. This is the smallest continent in the world. Australia. And after that, the last one is Antarctica. Antarctica here in this. As it is not it is not drawn here. So here is Antarctica at the very bottom. So this is Antarctica. Okay. Then after these are the 7 continents of the world. So okay, this Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Now after that we will also fill the oceans of the world also. So there are 5 oceans in the world. The first one is Pacific Ocean. Now where is Pacific Ocean? Here. This is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. To the left also and to the right also. Pacific Ocean. Then second ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Where is Atlantic Ocean? Just between North America, South America and Africa. This is North America, South America, and Africa is there just between this. Here, this is what? Atlantic Ocean. We can write like this. Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Then the third is Arctic Ocean. Now where is Arctic Ocean? Here at the top. This is here. This is also Arctic. This blue is all ocean. Okay, Arctic Ocean, and here also Arctic Ocean. Okay, after this the fourth one is Indian Ocean. As you know the name India, Indian means India, that belongs to India. So can you see India in this world map? Yes, it is here. This is India. So just below, you all know in the in the map of India also, you must have seen Indian Ocean is just below this, the map of India here. This is Indian Ocean. Here is Indian Ocean. And the fifth one is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean means because it is the southern part here. This is Southern Ocean. So these are the continents and oceans of the world. So children, just keep practicing and keep learning these oceans and continents of the world, and just do it in your map, in the political map of the world at home. So this much for today. Thank you.